Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up sessions on TradingView. Start by opening your chart and clicking the gear icon to access settings. Navigate to the Sessions or Trading Hours section, then choose a built-in exchange template or define custom start and end times. Save your session template and apply it to other charts for consistent market visibility. This helps you spot active hours, avoid false breakouts, and align analysis across time zones. To create a custom session, click Add New Session and enter a clear name that reflects the market or instrument. Specify exact start and end times, including overnight spans and midday breaks when needed, and pick applicable weekdays. Preview the highlighted session on your chart to confirm alignment with price bars and session gaps. Save the template so you can quickly load it on other charts or share it with your workspace for consistent session analysis. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and save time, perfect for traders who eat at their desk between sessions. I love how they keep snacks tidy during long market hours, and they stack neatly in any bag. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For advanced setup, layer multiple sessions to separate regular hours versus after hours and lunch breaks, giving clearer structure to intraday moves. Combine session highlights with volume profiles, session break indicators, or custom alerts to catch important open or close volatility. Sync session templates across chart layouts and timeframes to compare the same market window on different symbols, improving strategy consistency and reducing confusion when reviewing trades or scanning markets across sessions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.